Alright, so when I first picked up these Kenwoods, I paid $19.99 for them. But good old inflation, as you can see, now they're $29.99. So we're going to see how they go up against the American base. I also bought these for $41 initially, and they've gone up to $60. So let's go. Alright, so here we go. We got the Kenwood that actually held their own for a little while. This is the KFC-1666 R 1666R, and then of course going up against the American base SQ6.5. So the Kenwood held their own before. Let's see how they do up against this American base with the new setup. Let's get started.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. I knew you were the one when you walked through the door and stepped behind the bar. My jaw was on the floor when I took you to a movie. You told me this: I'm never getting married, but you're not getting kissed. 'Cause staying away proved the universe wrong. Against all the odds, Vegas would have said, don't bet on us. It's a 1 in a million shot. Even my friend told me at Sequoia that night, you'll never end up with her. Yeah, but he was wrong when he said nobody gets the bartender. Who could have guessed that it would be?
All right, well, there you go. We got the Kenwoods and the American base. Now, I will say this was probably similar to the last battle with the Pioneers. The American base just are on a different level, and I'm gonna look it up, and I'll obviously put the price up of what these cost now as of today of this video. But I want to say I paid like $27 for these Kenwoods, somewhere around there, when I initially bought them, and of course the American base were, I believe, 40, right around there. And now I think the last time I checked, the American base were 60, and the Kenwoods, I don't know, we'll see. I still gotta look that up. But anyways, there you go. So this is just a battle of the lower end speakers, and I will have to say, without a doubt, with my ears, American bass are the winner. They just have a much more cleaner sound, like almost just not too sharp. The Kenwood's a little bit sharp on the highs. The bass is not as good; it's a little bit muddy, but in my opinion, American bass still got it. So, anyways, leave your thoughts and comments down below, and we'll just check out some other speakers in the next video. Peace. All right, just for fun, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna play some of this bass music. I'm gonna see if it's gonna give me a copyright. I'm not really sure, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm not even sure if it's gonna play this. The American bass actually kind of handled that song. It's just a bass song, and the Kenwoods absolutely cannot handle that bass at all. It's not even close. But I'm gonna upload this, see what happens with the good old copyright. I'm not sure. It's just a bass song, so we'll see what happens. But if it allows me to do it, and I'll put it in there at the end. But anyways, next time, peace.